Hello, how's everybody doing? This is me, the Christina Cakes. I haven't been in here in forever. In here, by in here I mean on here. But have always been wanting to come back, do a little bit more on YouTube and just share my life, share everything that's going on. But today we have an IPSY box. Actually, we have 3. So make sure you watch part 1, part 2, part 3. There are 3 different boxes and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I have partnered with IPSY to show you guys 3 boxes. We have the IPSY Glam Bag, the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and also since they have partnered with BoxyCharm, we now have a BoxyCharm box. I will list all the boxes, what they had in them, and then the prices you can get them for. You can get them for down below, as well as a link you can use to go and get one and get a discount on it. So I hope you guys are excited. So first off, we're going to start with the smallest package. This is your basic IPSY Glam Bag. Comes in just this cute little pink packaging. All of it does. Love it. And these are going to be 5 deluxe sample sizes of products that you can go or can try out, which I love. And I believe last I checked it was $12.99 for these. I will put a correction if I'm wrong somewhere in the video. Let's open this up. There's always a cute baggie. Ah, I love it. Okay. This is what it is. This is for the month of May. So tropical and just fun. I love it. Hopefully you guys can see that really well. It's kind of like graffiti, but also like floral. Colors are just giving, like screaming, take me to Jamaica. Anybody else? Yeah. Okay. Open her up. She's got 5 little deluxe size products in here. We're going to kind of go through these quickly. First, we have a Jazmine Beauty, I believe is what it is, in little, cute little packaging like this. And it looks like it's an illuminating highlighter. Open her up. I feel like I have a million illuminating highlighters. Ooh, but this is one of my favorites. This is definitely in like a champagne-y, just something that's closer to my skin tone. That just adds that little bit of, I like a more natural looking highlight rather than like Jeffree Star's products that are like, let me blind you from outer space, or, you know, from outer space, yeah, or you guys know what I mean. Hopefully I can't talk. Anyway, Jazmine Beauty, that's cute. We'll use that definitely. Then I got a little tube. It says Korres. I'm gonna assume that's what that is. Don't look at me, look at the product, dude. Oh boy. It doesn't want to focus, but it says Korres is what it says. And it's a foaming cream cleanser, Greek yogurt. Yeah, everything else is in a different language, so I can't read it. Anyway, make sure your products always come with one of these little things that you like tear off and make sure that it's completely sealed when you get it. Keeps the product safe, keeps it fresh basically. And anyway, here we go. I've got about a million cleansers, so I really probably shouldn't have opened that, but I wanted to give you guys like a smell test because that's all I can do. I'm not gonna wash my face yet. It smells like, actually it smells really good. Hold on. I'm gonna rub the smallest amount here. Okay, that smells wonderful. Almost smells like, I like things that are just lightly scented rather than overpowering. That smells really good. It smells kind of almost like a baby Johnson & Johnson product. I don't know how to explain that any better, but that smells wonderful. I don't know that there's anything extra crazy about this. It is indeed just a foaming cream cleanser. Yeah, we'll try it out sometime. Then I have this cute little, looks like a lip gloss. No, it's a Brow Friends Forever. That says BFF, Brow Friends Forever. So I'm assuming this is like, oh, I'm not gonna assume. It says with castor and vitamin E. So it doesn't say what it is. I'm assuming it's because it's got a little like spoolie on one end that is just to like set them in place, kind of laminate them there. Or maybe it's just like nourishment since it's oil and vitamin E. I don't know. I'll have to look this up and tell you guys more about it. But here it is. It's got these little hearts on the package. Again, I don't think it's going to focus, but super cute. BFF. Yep. Oh, and it says it's the Beauty Crop. Never heard of them. And this is what I love about these. I love with IPSY, again, you're getting sample sizes of things that you get to try out and decide if you like it, paying a minimal, like, again, 12 bucks. Well, and even this, I don't think that's probably the whole size. I mean, this is what they normally come in. As well as I'm seeing one other one that I think this is probably full size too. And then the next product I'm showing you is probably full size as well. So it looks like we got a mascara, which I'm glad. I have not been happy with many mascaras. I've been on a mascara like trying to find the best ones. I found one a long time ago. I still keep the tube. Yes, it's empty, but I love it. I have not reordered it because it's $28. I'm looking for an inexpensive, like $10, $12 or less mascara that I can love and is not gonna break the bank. Because to me, I'm like 28 bucks for a mascara that's just gonna dry up after like a month. I don't know. Anyway, this one is, I can't tell. It says beauty and it literally goes over the thing, so I really can't tell. Beauty and something, but Great Lengths Mascara, lengthening and thickening mascara, formulated with jojoba, I'm not sure, oil and castor oil. It's not telling me what color it's in. I'm gonna assume that is black, as most are. I do like the colors in this. It's like a really baby pink and then like a baby blue. I think it's gonna take too long for me to get this open and whatnot, but I can't tell, like I said, the brand. It says BB, so it's beauty and something. But again, once I can get that off, I will again tag it below. We'll check it out and see how it is. Cute packaging, hope it works. I typically lean towards waterproof because I sweat and it is hot and humid in Arkansas. So yeah, if you guys have a good recommendation, something that's been working for you and that sums up everything I've just said, please leave them down below. I need a better one. Okay, last thing, glow recipe. Can already tell this is going to be a product I love. I have so many glow recipe things from IPSY and BoxyCharm that are my favorite products. So I already know whatever this is, I will love it. It looks like it is Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA. I know how to say this. Salicylic. Dear Lord. Salicylic. Maybe that sounds right. Serum. So this is a serum. Clarifying and retexturing. Be sure to apply sunscreen daily after use. Don't put in your eyes. So this sounds wonderful. Oh, there we go. Like I said, make sure that it always has that on there. I wonder if we can smell. Put it somewhere different. Woo! Oh my god, it's like a strawberry snow cone. Just want to eat it up. Yeah, lovely. So again, this was a serum. I am wondering though, does it go on your lips or does it like, surely it can't hurt it. Probably not good to ingest if you do, but clarifying and texturizant. Oh, that's a different language, Chrissy. Clarifying and retexturizing. I'm assuming that's not gonna like retexturize your lips, so it's probably not. It's probably just for like your face. Though that smells wonderful. We'll see what it's for because it doesn't just tell you what it's for on here. Yeah. Anyway, those are my 5 products and I'm thrilled. Again, supposed to be 5 deluxe size samples, just samples, and I have I'm assuming that's not full size, but I'm assuming this one and these other two, these 3 are, and these probably 2 aren't. I'm $12.99. You can't beat that. So again, get your IPSY. Oh, and you get the cute little bag that I reuse these things for everything. I give gifts in these bags. I use them for like if I'm going on a trip and I need ponytails, I'll use one for ponytails. I'll use one for like my makeup bag. I'll use another one for bobby pins, or one for my jewelry that I don't want to get tangled and such. And they're just the perfect little bag. So you can't beat it. I want to know what you guys think. Is anybody else doing this? Do you guys love them? Do you guys hate them? Is there something that you're like, hey, I want IPSY to have this, or I want them to use or give away these brands, include these brands? Tell me below, because I have the connection where I can make sure that they're like doing that. So get yourself an IPSY glam bag. If you start here, that's wonderful. If you choose to get one of the larger ones, also wonderful. It's just a darn good deal. And I hope that you guys like this video. Tell me if you do. Bye.